Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel TechStackML. Today we are diving into something super cool, creating an interactive AI avatar using HeyGen in a Next.js project. Imagine having a digital twin that can talk, answer questions, and engage with your users in real time. Sound awesome, right? By the end of this video, you will have your own interactive avatar up and running, even if you are new to Next.js or HeyGen. So grab a coffee, hit that like button, and let's get started. So first we set up our Next.js project in our local system. So make sure you have installed Node.js in your system and npm installed in your system. Okay, I will give you the link of Node.js and npm in my video description. Okay, so this is the boilerplate or a GitHub code that is provided by the HeyGen official. You can run easily it in your system. Okay, so I will give that link as well in my video description, right? So just go to that link and what you have to do, you have to follow all of the steps that are written here. Before following the step, you have to download that code in the zip format. Once you download that code in zip format, then unzip it. Okay, and after unzipping it, you can open it in the VS Code or somewhere else where you want, any other IDE. Okay, so I open it in the VS Code after unzipping. And what is the first step? We have to install all of the node modules or dependencies within that project. Okay, so we will run npmi command here. Okay, and you can run npm install as well. As you can see, all of our dependencies has been loaded, and there are 159 packages that are written in the package.json file. Okay, got it. So meanwhile, what we have to do, we have to retrieve an API key to use in your project. Okay, so HeyGen provide a free API key up to 10 or 12 credit. Okay, so you can grab your API key from the link that is provided in that GitHub uh, notes. Okay, so you just have to go to that link, and you can go there in the HeyGen API tab, and once you go there, you can see your credit left. So I have 9.3 credit left. Okay, so you will get 10 credit uh, in a free trial. Okay, so just copy your API token from here and paste it in the env file in within the project, and you can find your env file here in the root of your project. And just now we are gonna run this project. Just use npm run dev command here. It will run a local server on your system. It will run on the localhost 3000. Okay, you can configure or customize your code by on your own. You can customize your UI on your own because it is written in the Next.js or a React.js code. So it is just in JS or HTML part that you can change your UI. Okay, if you want me to change the UI, or if you want me to um, like implement another AI avatar without HeyGen, I can do that. I will do in my other videos, right? So what you have to do, you just have to go to the port 3000 and open your application. It will take a little time because it is compiling, and it gets compiled here. So you can see your application up and running here. You can select the avatar you want to see. Like I am selecting that N therapist. It is she is a female, so she is a female avatar. You can talk with her in a real time like a normal human being, and you can select other avatar as well, and even you can customize your own avatar. Like you can talk with yourself. So you just have to create your avatar on the HeyGen there, and you just have to select your custom avatar ID from that dashboard. Okay, so I'm selecting N therapist, and you can select your languages, preferred languages. You can select Bulgarian, Chinese, and all of the languages that are provided here. So I'm selecting English, and you can select the avatar quality, low, medium, high. We are gonna with the low or medium high. We are going with medium. Okay, and you can select your transportation method for the data. Like you can select WebSocket, LiveKit. Okay, and there are other options to selecting voice ID, emotions of voice, the model of TTS you want. Like we are using 11 labs here. Okay, 11 lab flash. You can see. So there are 11 multilingual, 11 flash v2.5 based on your choices. And STT setting, we are using DeepGram for STT, speech to text, and there are other option is Gladia, right? So let's start with simple text chat. So I click that button and my avatar is loading. It will take a little time because we selected that medium one. Okay, as you can see, our avatar is up and running here. So we have just built an interactive AI avatar in a Next.js app using HeyGen. Pretty amazing, right? If so, let's try this out. Just type hi, and she will respond.
Hello, it's nice to see you. How are you feeling today?
It is pretty amazing, right? And now we will ask a question to her. How are you?
I'm here and ready to listen to you. Thank you for asking. What's been on your mind lately?
It is pretty amazing, right? So you can install in your system by following my video, and if you have any doubt, you can write it in the comment section as well. So make sure just like that video, subscribe my channel, and share it with others. Okay, I will post it that amazing stuffs of AI and ML and other tech stuffs like creating uh, or handling multiple data within a second with a new database that is ClickHouse. Okay, I will show up in another video. Okay, so for now, bye. Have a nice day ahead. Subscribe my channel, like that video. Thank you.